Good morning, my name is Adam Adamek, and today I would like to tell you more words about innovation energy and microgrids. But first, what is innovation? So innovation is a sequence of activities leading to the creation of a new or improved product, technological process, or organization systems. Innovation in renewable energy sources may include the use of new materials like graphene photovoltaics, new types of generation sources like hydrogen energy, new location of generation sources like photovoltaics floating on water, and new methods of managing production sources like virtual power plants or microgrids. Today, we would like to talk about microgrids. So, few more words about microgrids. Microgrids may be understood as combining small renewable energy sources into larger systems. And there are several ways to combine renewable energy installation into something larger. But today we will focus only on microgrids. So, what are microgrids? Looking at the current state, the microgrid can be understood as an individually managed energy source, so nothing other than the home renewable energy installation. It's on the left side of a diagram. In the near future, microgrid will be professional cooperation between distributed energy sources and distribution grid. Many renewable energy sources work in this microgrid, which may have different owners cooperating with each other. In addition to renewable energy sources, the microgrid has energy storage facilities, a distribution network, and of course, energy customers. Once again, some longer definition of microgrid and some helpful picture. So an energy microgrid is a physically separated area covering local energy sources, mainly renewable, and customers of energy produced from these sources. Energy storage and the gas or oil generator are also built into this microgrid, which provide energy in a situation of inefficient production of energy from renewable energy sources. All elements on this microgrid are connected by a power network, and the work of whole microgrid is controlled by an IT system. The microgrid can be connected to the local electricity distribution network, but also could work completely independent, like energy island. And all of this you could see on this picture. So, as I told, a microgrid is physically separated area. So, on this diagram, this all circle, these all blue lines may be understood as some one area, separated area. In this area, we have energy sources. So here are wind turbines, photovoltaic farm, and also domestic installation on the roofs. Of course, we have also consumers of energy produced from these sources. So we have here households, we have electric car, we have some offices or other buildings, and we have hospital and one industrial manufacturer, something like that. All these elements are connected by a power network. So power network are these blue lines. And all of these elements are connected and managed by IT system. My IT system is the center of microgrid. So on this picture, it's this dome in the middle. And as I said, the microgrid could be connected to the local distribution network, but also could work like energy island. And it's a huge innovation to work independently. What are advantages and disadvantages of microgrids? Microgrids have many advantages, but also have some disadvantages. Of course, it's not something ideal that could solve all problems of today's energy sector, but it could help. I think that the main advantage of using microgrids are, of course, production of green energy. Also, its fast construction time, as well as increasing local energy security. Of course, it's also quite a good example of adaptation to climate change, and I think microgrids are well rated by the public, and it could be really important in some energy projects. But there are some disadvantages, and I think one of the biggest disadvantages is really high investment costs. Right now, a microgrid without co-financing is unlikely to be economically viable. Also, a huge problem is also the lack of European regulation, and also national law has a field to fulfill in topic of microgrids. As a result, investment of this type struggle with difficult official process at the stage of obtaining all permits. So microgrid has a lot of advantages, but it's really innovative technology, and this technology still needs some changes on the market, in the law, in the prices to become more popular. But microgrid might be the future of energy because it could solve a lot of problems. I would like to tell you few words about microgrid project in my company, in company Tauron Polska Energia. So in our group, the project is included in a research and development project, and the one of my aim on this project is the installation of pilot microgrid. But our microgrid is going to operate in real conditions and supply electricity to the housing estate. If the project is successful, it will be the first installation of this type in Poland and a very good example of adaptation activities. Firstly, by using renewable energy, we reduce emissions. Secondly, the installation will be able to temporarily work as an energy island, so completely independent of the rest of the national network. In the event of power outage, for example due to wind damage to the power lines, so some climate change effects, energy consumers from the microgrid will still have energy. So it's great example of adaptation. And right now I could tell you that we have finished construction process and our microgrid is on the test phase. But of course our project consists of several stages. So first stage was developed an analytical tool that helped us to first technical and economic calculation about our microgrid. The next stage was building a pilot installation, and right now we are providing series of tests and studies on a basis of which we will develop an offer for our company's clients. As you could see, our microgrid has few different sources of energy. First one is photovoltaic panel, another one is wind turbines, and next one is gas engine, and of course there is some energy storage. All of these sources are managed by an IT system which operate whole microgrid. So it's like on definition that I have showed you before. And I think it's all in this topic. I hope you found it interesting, and I think you will learn more about innovation in energy sector on the next chapters. Thanks for your attention.